shit, man.
Got everybody like that bitch for V, she gon' be a star. Ho, I'm a real.
Hey, what up YouTube family? Today's video, I'm going to be starting a fire. These things come with little instructions. You're supposed to test them out and make sure you can do it before you actually have to do it. I've never started a fire without a lighter. This right here is dryer lint. I've seen online they say this is a good tinder or whatever you want to call it for starting fires. So I'm going to shape this into like a nest shape. Bag it away from the camera a little bit. Okay. So this says you're supposed to scrape some of, let me take this off of here. You're supposed to scrape this in here. I don't know all the correct words because I don't have the box. I think it's magnesium. Let's see here. Not sure how you do that. I don't think anything was falling. Now it is. I don't really know how much, but I do see it on there. Let's put a little bit more. Alright, strike, strike, strike. That's not how it works. Yeah, it is. Okay. So, strike, strike. Oh. Oh, snap. Check it off my list. If that's not long enough for you to get some sticks and get that going, you trying to be cold. Point blank period. Wait a minute, Wayne. Doing too much. Plenty of time. So I guess it wouldn't hurt to save a bag of dryer mint. And this is $2. I think it was like $1.30 for real. Over and out. Let me know what else you want to see. Ooh.
It's like always been a black sheep of the family. Like all my life growing up, it's just been me. Always did my own thing, you know, stayed to myself, but always had big dreams.